It's Sunday night and I finished up the battery box. Well, it's not finished. I gotta put a strap to hold the battery, but it's in here on the passenger's floor. There's still plenty of foot room and everything. And then that is my red top. It mounts pretty much exactly flush with the firewall, both terminals. And I'll run a little strap that sucks it down in there. But no, pretty happy with it. So I'll get it all painted up and finished up here, but checking another thing off the list.